Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can catch the pirate blue lobster in Fish It. So this unique fish is one of the rare tire fish that you can catch in the ancient ruin. And this one can be caught in any time and also any weather. And here I'm going to show you the exact location and the rod and bait I use. As you guys can see, I'm using the Singularity bait with the element rod. And here are some of the location to get the pirate blue lobster. This is the first one, and you can just move around and across to the previous spots. This is my second favorite spot to fish in ancient ruin. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.